Is the next big COVID vaccine inhalable? The jab will likely become the huff soon. This is because the next generation of COVID-19 vaccines may just be inhalable. Although their release dates aren't sure yet, many experts are seeing their potential in giving high protection at a lower risk of side effects. In a few years, people may be huffing COVID-19 vaccines instead of getting jabbed. That's big for people who don't like needles. But why is it a big deal to inhale a vaccine? There are several pros that even experts deem important when fighting preventable diseases. The biggest argument is the relationship between the dose and the effectiveness. By default, the higher the dose means the more effective against a disease. Imagine the contact between the ocean and lava from a volcano. Upon contact, ocean waters will definitely cool down the lava. But the friction between these two forces at opposite extremes isn't pretty. The tiny shards of fragmented lava and acid mist they'd emit would be massive, and you may consider them as side effects. To reduce side effects, dosage should be minimized. However, minimizing dosage will also cut down the effectiveness of treatments and vaccines. So how can it be optimized? Get the dose into a specific part of the human body. Introduce it where the disease will develop to maximize the concentration levels. Targeting vaccines to specific anatomic areas of the body where immunity is most important could provide more durable and extensive protection than injectable vaccines when it comes to respiratory viruses, said Dr. Amesh Adalja at the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security. According to Medical Express, a new inhalable COVID vaccine came out from McMaster University in Canada. This one was tested safe and effective in mice. The vaccine involves a nebulizer to turn liquid into an aerosol, so the active ingredients can be inhaled through the mouth. It goes straight to the lungs, where it stimulates immunity. Injectable vaccines tend to stimulate immune response throughout the body. It may take time before the response in the lungs happens. But if you introduce vaccines into the lungs, the response is expected to be faster. The idea isn't bad since the lungs are the favorite hangout place of respiratory diseases like COVID-19. In another study uploaded on bioRxiv, Yale University researchers tested a COVID nasal spray vaccine in mice. Results showed boosted immune memory cells and antibodies in the nose and throat. There are still many things we need to know about inhalable COVID vaccines, such as the chances of allergic reactions, the duration of immunity, and the number of uses per day. Are you optimistic about huffing vaccines? Between an inhalable and injectable vaccine, which one would you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.